Still charging Freon. This unit, sir, I turn it off because I need to check the expansion valve and orifice. Maybe there is a problem, but I already charged this one 3-cylinder, sir. See, if I on, it's working. But for now, I will turn off, sir. Need to check the expansion valve. These two units, sir, I turn off because this room still they are working for the fire sprinkler. Too much hole for this room, sir. So for now, these two unit I turn it off, sir. But already full charge, sir. When they finish, we can run this one. We can switch on, no problem for these two unit. This room cut off -15. Cut off now this one. This two unit. And also this is the chiller 25 HP cut off also. Already cut off. And this is the unit for the corridor, sir. Still not working because still there is no drainage and water tank and water pump for the drainage, water drainage. And this is the last two unit, and it's working.